In this video, we're going to be looking at factorizing linear expressions. When we have addition multiplied by addition, it gives us addition. For example, 2 times 2 is 4. When we have subtraction multiplied by addition, or addition multiplied by subtraction, we will get subtraction. For example, minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. And when we have minus times minus, we get addition. For example, minus 2 times minus 2 gives 4. Here the question is asking us to fully factorize 3x plus 12. First, we need to find the highest common factor of 3 and 12. This is 3. So we will write this as 3 times by x plus 3 times by 4. And then we cross out whatever is common. So we have a 3 and a 3 here. So whatever is common goes outside of the brackets. So 3x plus 4. So basically whatever is remaining goes inside of the brackets. Essentially what we're doing is we are condensing this into this format. Sometimes we'll be asked to expand this. So this will be 3x plus 12, which is the same as this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you watch my video on expanding and simplifying by clicking the pop-out banner in the top right corner of the screen. Okay, here it's asking us to fully factorize 4x minus 24. The highest common factor of 4 and 24 is 4. So we will write this as 4x minus 4 and 6. 4 is the common, so 4 goes outside. X minus 6. This is our final answer. Here it's asking us to fully factorize 10a squared plus 15a squared b. The highest common factor of 10 and 15 is 5. So we will split this as 5 to a plus 5, 3, a, b. 5 is common, a is common, and another a is common. So outside the bracket comes 5a squared. We have a 2 here, plus we have a 3 and a b, so 3b. This is our final answer. And finally we have 5a squared b plus 15b squared a. The highest common factor of 5 and 15 is 5. So we write this as 5a b plus 5 3 b a. 5 is common, a is common, and b is common. As you can see, I didn't cross this second a as there isn't a second a here, and I didn't cross this b because there isn't a second b here. So 5a b, we have a left over, plus b, 3b. This is our final answer. I'd like you to try these questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, hopefully you're confident in factorizing linear expressions. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.